This is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, and this isn't just another phone drop. Oh no, this could be the wildest flagship we've seen in 2025. With a 200-megapixel telephoto lens that's practically a telescope in your pocket, a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip that laughs in the face of lag, massive battery, and a design so slick it's basically tech art. But here's the million-dollar question: is it the game-changer Xiaomi claims, or just a hyped-up pretender to the throne? I've been testing this bad boy for weeks now, pushing it to the edge, and trust me, the tea is piping hot. So, smash that like button, buckle up, and let's peel back the layers of this Ultra. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra's subtle logo doesn't set it apart from rivals like Oppo, Honor, Vivo, and OnePlus, all sporting giant circular camera islands. The silver chrome version, with faux leather and a tiny Ultra logo mimicking Leica's red, screen style. Its aluminum frame, matte finish, and textured glass resist fingerprints well. At 9.3mm thick, pre-camera bulge, and 226G, it's 2025's heftiest flagship, improved from last year and more satisfying than slimmer competitors, thanks to gently sloping glass edges. No physical camera controls like Apple or Sony, but the optional photography kit compensates, more later. The ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is lightning fast, even wet, though face unlocking lags behind Apple and Google in security. IP68 protection isn't top tier, IP69 exists elsewhere, but skipping the dishwasher test wasn't a deal breaker. Xiaomi's 15 Ultra sticks to 2.5D glass, avoiding the flat screen trend. The subtle curve cuts reflections, improves edge swipes, and keeps slim bezels. Its 6.73 inches OLED is flawless, smaller than the iPhone 16 Pro Max or Galaxy S25 Ultra, but sharper despite defaulting to lower resolution for battery life. Colors pop, angles impress, and settings offer tons of tweaks. LTPO tech ensures silky scrolling, dropping to 1 Hz for static content like the always-on display, while HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and Ultra HDR boost streaming in photos. Shield Glass 2.0 doesn't match the S25 Ultra's Gorilla Armor for glare, and 3200 nits peak brightness trails the Pixel 9 XL, but HBM mode handles bright days fine. The downfiring speaker and earpiece tweeter aren't top tier, decent volume and bass, but no match for a Bluetooth speaker. Still, they're solid enough to skip headphones. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 4 rear cameras are serious contenders, led by a 1-inch Sony LYT900 main sensor with a fixed f/1.63 lens and OIS. It captures massive light, delivering stunning natural bokeh, ditching last year's variable aperture. 2 telephoto lenses impress, a 50MP Sony IMX858, f/1.8, 3x zoom, OIS, 10cm macro, and a 200MP Samsung HP9, f/2.6, 4.3x zoom, OIS. A 50MP f/2.2 ultra-wide rounds it out, offering 14 to 400mm near-lossless zoom and 120x digital max. All feature Leica glass with authentic or vibrant profiles, supporting 4K/60p Dolby Vision HDR and 10-bit LOG, plus 120 frames per second 4K slow-mo on main and telephoto. The updated camera app packs Leica filters and fast shot mode for a rangefinder feel. The optional photography kit, a clip-on grip with 2000 mAh battery, shutter button, and custom controls, elevates it. Threaded for soft release switches, 2 included, it adds a metal thumb grip, zero latency USB-C, and a sleek black-red design. It charges on demand and fits with a faux leather case for 67mm filters. The main lens shines in all conditions, with software compensating for the fixed aperture to retain detail and depth. Dynamic range, white balance, and exposure improve over the 14 Ultra, with no noise and sharp, filmic results. The 200MP telephoto excels for portraits, matching wide-angle colors and delivering crisp textures and bokeh up to 8.6x. The ultra-wide lags slightly in low-light color consistency but holds strong daytime sharpness. At 120x digital zoom, quality dips, but it's usable. In low light, all lenses impress with natural colors and detail, outpacing rivals overall. Xiaomi's HyperOS on the 15 Ultra breaks from MIUI's past, delivering crisp icons, streamlined menus, and robust customization options. It echoes iOS with split quick settings and notification panels, and includes Xiaomi's own apps, though Google's alternatives are there if you prefer. AI features impress. Google's Gemini powers the voice assistant, joined by Gemini Live and Circle to search. Xiaomi adds its own flair with real-time subtitles, live foreign language translation, voice recorder transcription, and a system-wide writing assistant that summarizes or refines highlighted text across apps. The AI image editing suite matches Samsung and Google, letting you erase objects, expand cropped shots convincingly, remove reflections, or swap skies. Generative edits are swift, even if some processing happens off-device. Update longevity is the only uncertainty. Based on recent Xiaomi flagships, expect 4 Android version upgrades and 6 years of security patches, less than Google or Samsung's promises, but still beyond most users' ownership timelines. It's only a factor if you plan to keep this phone for the ultra-long haul. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and 16GB of RAM put it neck and neck with 2025's flagship crowd. Geekbench scores of 2,899 single-core and 8822 multi-core don't top the charts but outpace last year's model, ensuring rock-solid daily performance. A vapor chamber keeps heat under control. Only heavy benchmarking apps cause throttling after multiple runs. It handles 4K video recording effortlessly and powers through gaming. Diablo Immortal ran at a silky 60 frames per second on max settings, ray tracing included. Xiaomi seems to have disabled 3D mark on review units, but this phone devours any Play Store game with ease. In Western markets, 512GB storage is standard, aligning its price with the iPhone 16 Pro and Galaxy S25 Ultra. A 1TB option exists, though availability depends on your region. The Xiaomi 14 Ultra's battery life disappointed me compared to rivals with bigger cells, but the 15 Ultra ups the game with a 5,410 mAh silicon carbon battery, compact yet still trailing leaders like the OnePlus 13. Efficiency isn't its strength. I squeezed out a full day with an hour of gaming and some streaming, but it dipped lower into the red than other 2025 flagships. Still, it outlasted the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Honor Magic 7 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL, an improvement over last year, though not a leap. Charging stays unchanged. 90W wired via USB-C hits full in under 30 minutes, and 80W wireless is just as snappy, smoking Apple, Samsung, and Google. No Qi 2 magnetic charging here, though, another Android flagship miss. Alright, folks, here's the verdict on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Spend a hot minute with this beast, and those cameras will steal your heart. Epic sensors, Leica's killer processing, and that optional photography kit? It's a no-brainer for shutterbugs obsessed with focal lengths and exposure. Yeah, it's not the slimmest phone out there, but it's got flagship swagger, top-tier power, a jaw-dropping display, and battery life that's just enough better than last year to nudge past the Pixel 9 Pro XL and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Plus, at 512GB, it's a hair cheaper than those big dogs. If you want a solid all-rounder, you could spend less and still snap great pics, but nothing blurs the line between phone and legit camera like this. For photo fanatics, the 15 Ultra's your 2025 champ.